6:42 on your Monday. Let's explore the world of bread, pastries, sweet treats. The Las Vegas Convention Center is hosting the International Baking Expo, where J.C. Fernandez has been hanging out all morning. How many donuts have you had?
Oh, 3, 4? Who's counting, Nate? Everyone, this is Roman. He is with the World Cup of Baking. And if I have this correct, this is unreal. Both these items back here are made with bread?
Everything is made out of bread. Everything is edible.
And this is the competition.
Yeah.
The winner is going to go to France.
Yes. Yeah. And so we have 5 teams competing right now.
Okay. This here was made by Team USA right here.
Right.
I mean, look at the attention to detail, and it's all bread.
Yeah, everything is bread. So we have the showpiece, we have the bread part, and then we have the Danish pastries, croissants, and brioche.
Now, Team Brazil made that item over there as well. It looks really cool as well. How long is something like that? How long were they working on it for?
They have to do it in 8 hours.
8 hours, start to finish?
Only 8 hours. So they started at 6 a.m. this morning until 2 p.m. and then it's done.
Well, let's go back here because we actually see some teams competing. I'll follow your lead through here. As we're walking through here, what countries are competing back here?
Right now we have Canada competing.
Okay.
So it's like right now it's preparing the butter to make some croissants.
But we don't know what its finished product is going to be.
We don't know yet. We don't know yet. That's the beauty of it.
We all know how big the World Cup for soccer and everything is. How big is the World Cup of baking? How prestigious is it?
It's, as a baking, it's very, very prestigious. It's right now what you see is the elite of their own country. So it's the 3 best bakers of Canada competing against the 3 best bakers of Ecuador.
These are the best in the world. It's like the Tom Brady of baking.
They are.
Making his products right here.
Yeah.
How can we follow along? They win here and then the championship goes to France in January.
Yeah, as of now it's mostly social media. There is no live stream yet. We are hoping to make it even more popular in the moving forward.
I can't even tell what he's making, but he's going to make a masterpiece.
So that's the showpiece. He's working on the showpiece. So it's going to be something very similar to what we just saw, going super high, 1 meter by 1 meter, big showpiece.
Incredible. Roman, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
It was so hard not to take a piece of the bread over there, but I don't want to mess up Team USA's chances of winning the World Cup of Baking. I'm going to send it back to you guys in the studio.
Oh. Très bon, oh, très joli, delicious. You better be talking like that when you come back, JC. Come on, that was gorgeous. Wow. His language is delicious, much less the food.
Oui, oui.